The heart loves regular, daily, physical activity. That's what we're doing here. Let's go. We're just gonna start with a nice twist. Qigong inspired cardio today. 10 minutes, low impact. We are gonna get our mood boosted, our energy elevated, and we are gonna take care of our hearts. Just feel the flow of your arms. Twist in whichever way works for you. You're gonna modify every exercise to suit your needs as always. We are gonna move continuously through this 10-minute session so that we build incredible heart health and that we can truly live to 110 healthy. Get the lower body involved. Bring the leg up. Bring the foot up, excuse me. We gotta move fast so that we can stay warm. Okay, here we go. Single leg, just step back and the knee comes up. Swing the arms, head up high. This can look very different for each of us. You just take care of your business, focus on what you can do, and let's go. Maybe it comes up nice and high. You step back really far. Beautiful. Just engage the core, full body exercise. Want to get the heart pumping. Let's go to the other side. Connect the breath to each movement. Let's move with real intention. Maybe you can pick up the pace if you like. We can take our light, gentle qigong inspired movements. Pick up the pace a little bit just to give our heart that extra bit of love. When we love it, it'll love us in return. Okay. Into a bit of a squat. Just a nice gentle punch. Corkscrew the arm, real twist. And sink down just a little bit. We can build amazing strength in the lower body, mobility. As we punch out. I listened to a renowned cardiologist yesterday talking about heart health. And that was his quote. The heart loves daily, consistent physical activity. Not intense, consistent daily movement. And that's exactly what we're doing here. I'll keep doing the research. You keep punching. You keep showing up. And we will live long, healthy lives together. Okay, quickly, back to where we, here. And maybe the knee just comes up just a little bit higher and you step back a little further. Head up, great balance exercise. Couple more here. Other side. Let's move with pace and vigor today. We are young and strong and silly. Yes, let's be childlike with our movements as well. Okay. Oh yeah, let's get a good shake. This movement here can do wonders. Increase our circulation, really ramp up our energy. Ooh, move like a child, yes. I'm back. The rain came out of nowhere. We had to find some shelter. Daily physical activity isn't always gonna be perfect. Progress over perfection. Let's keep moving. Step forward into a lunge. Open the chest up. Step back. Squat down. Other side. Connect your breath to the movement. Sink as low as you can. Most definitely modify this exercise. Do what you can. Head up nice and high. As low as you can go. Step out, open up as best you can. Let's get that heart pumping. One more on each side. Here we go. Down, step out, best movement you can. How about it? We're walking forward, bend down, backwards, reach to the side, forward, bend down and back, reach. Nothing, I think, can be better for our heart health than walking. The simple superpower of walking. Reach as far as you can. Breathe. Backwards walking, so brilliant for us as well. We're not aiming for perfection in anything we do. Progress. Last one. Down. Breathe. Reach as far as you can and back. Reach back. Reach back. Brilliant. Let's keep going. To the side. To the side. Little skip. Side bend. Real mindfully. We can bring the mind-body connection together even when we move with pace. There's sometimes we need to get somewhere a little bit more quickly. We can absolutely do that with intention and mindfulness. We got a little bit more in us. Breathe. Enjoy the movement. Find joy in what you can do. One more on each side. Yes. Let's keep going. Step out, kick up and back. So step with the left, kick the right up and step back. We're getting a little bit of backwards movement in, as well as real balance. Continuing to move. Keep that heart pumping. Maybe it looks like this for you. Hallelujah. Beautiful. Maybe on each kick you come up a millimeter more. How about that? If we make a millimeter worth of progress every day, ho, ho, ho. What does that look like in a week, a month, a year? One more. Other side. Whoa, gotta get it right. There we go. Step. Yeah, so step out with the right, kick up the left. Little coordination here as well. Work the brain. Embrace the mistake. Don't be afraid to look foolish, Drew. Let's definitely not take ourselves too seriously. Oh, enjoy all the experiences. Breathe into it. Kick that leg up as high as you can. Engage the core. What amazing mobility, balance, strength you're creating. And real heart health. Oh, great flexibility in the hamstring. 2 more. Oh, brilliant. Oh, just shake for a moment. All right, here we go. Legs spread out a little further than shoulder width. Reach down opposite and then back. Reach down, touch the toe if you can. Clench the fist and reach back. Real strength. Let's do it with some pace. Get down as low as you can. Maybe that's here or here. It's beautiful. Embrace it. Other side. Here we go. Punch up. Breathe into it. Come on. Reach back. Nice. Deep. Oh, yes. 2 more. Okay, come on. Let's finish off. Full body twist. Just the way we started. Feel the heart. Close your eyes. Just notice what a different sensation that is. Feel the weight of your arms. You twist a little bit more deeply. Is your energy elevated a little higher than when we started? Just move with intention. Maybe you sink down just a tiny bit. More solid base with your eyes closed. But you're more supported. You got this. Oh, we've done it again. Let's just take a real brief moment. Hands to your heart. Feel the beating of it. How often do we send gratitude to our heart? Let's continue to show up every day. The heart loves daily physical movement. Let's just keep doing that. We care for our heart. We extend our capacity to care for others as well. Take care of ourselves so that we can take care of those we love. Well done. Let's keep doing this. I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here. Goodbye.